हमारे यूट्यूब चैनल बी ब्लॉग में आप सबका स्वागत है। आज हम प्रैक्टिस सेट 3 हल करने जा रहे हैं। सामान्यतः जीआईसी लेक्चर था। सराय सराय नहर राय एंड मदहा आर एसोसिएटेड विद Neolithic age culture of Vindhyan region, Mesolithic age culture of Vindhyan region, Mesolithic age culture of Ganga Valley, Neolithic age culture of Ganga Valley. See Mesolithic age culture of Ganga Valley. Indus civilization is associated with a prehistoric B. Protohistoric C. Historic age C. Posthistoric. Protohistoric. Which Sultan of Delhi was contemporary of the Mongol leader Genghis Khan? A. Iltutmish. B. Rajia. C. Balban. D. Alauddin Khilji. Iltutmish. Successor of Sher Shah was Shujat Khan, Islam Shah, Firoz Shah, Muhammad Shah, Adil Islam Shah, who was the first to produce the statistical data of the per capita income in India. Dadar Bhai Naoroji, Ramesh Chandra Gupta, Gopal Krishna Gokhale, Firoz Shah Mehta. Dada Bhai Naoroji. At the time of 1857 revolt, who was the British commanding officer at Barakpur? A. Henry Lawrence. B. Colonel Finis. C. Hersey. D. Sir Hugh Wheeler. Hersey. The Haripur section of Indian National Congress of 1938 was presided over by Abdul Kalam Azad, B. J.B. Kripalani, C. Rajendra Prasad, D. Subhash Chandra Bose. Subhash Chandra Bose, who helped the Congress launch the Quit India movement on August 8, 1942. A. Bombay, B. Madras, C. Calcutta, D. Pune. Bombay. Nathulal Pass is associated in which state? Arunachal Pradesh, Assam, Meghalaya, Sikkim. Which of the following rivers crosses to equator twice? Zaire, Niger, Nile, Amazon. Zaire. The largest desert in South Asia is Atacama, Colorado, Kalahari, Thar. Western disturbance flowing Indian toward Indian generated in Arabian Sea, Atlantic Sea, Mediterranean Sea, Indian Ocean. Mediterranean Sea. In which of the following Group 0 based budget was introduced as part A. USA, B. France, C. India, D. Germany. USA. In Indian national flag, the chakra denotes a freedom, justice, equality, divided justice. Which of the following pair is not correctly matched? Money bill, Article 110. President is ruled in state, Article 356. Judicial review, Article 243. Uniform Civil Code 44, Article C. Judicial. Article 243. Fundamental rights provided by Indian Constitution can be suspended by a declaration of emergency by the act passed by Parliament, by constitutional amendment, by judicial decision of the Supreme Court, by declaration of emergency. Which of the following is not true in reference to fiscal policy? Tax and expenditure policy are included in fiscal policy. Fiscal policy is associated with the management of public debt. Fiscal policy affects the supply of money in the economy. Fiscal policy keeps the exchange rate stable. D. In India, money and credit is controlled by the Central Bank of India, B. Industrial Development Bank of India, C. Reserve Bank of India, D. State Bank of India, C. Reserve Bank of India. Which are the following control the functioning of India stock market? A. FEMA, B. SEBI, C. MRTP, none of the SEBI. At per sample registration survey, what was the India total fertility rate according to Habitat on A? 3.4, 3.1, 2.3, 2.8, 2.3. In Indian power, which form of energy is converted into electrical energy? Kinetic energy, potential energy, solar energy, radiant energy. Kinetic energy. Raman effect deals with the light rays passing through only fluids, only prism, only diamonds, all transparent medium, only prism. The study involved in the herpetology about of reptiles, of amphibians, reptiles and amphibians, of birds. See reptiles and amphibians. Maximum weight of our body is made up of bone organ, skin, muscles and organ, water. When selling 5 meter of a cloth, profit made is equal to the cost price of 2 meter of that cloth. The profit percentage is 40%, with 30%, 45%, 33, 7/3%, 40%. The rate of interest on a certain sum of money is 4% per annum for first 2 years, 6% per annum for next 4 years, and 8% annum for period beyond 6 years. If the interest simple interest occurred accrued by the sum for total period of 9 years 1120, then find the original sum. A 2400, 2200, 2000, 2600, 2000. A train leaves Hyderabad at 7 a.m. and reaches Vijayawada at 11 a.m. Another train leaves Vijayawada 9 a.m. and reaches Hyderabad 12:30 p.m. At what time would the two train cross each other? 9:50, 9:56 a.m., 10:02 a.m., 10:08 a.m. 9:56 am. A solid circular right circular cylinder has a radius of 21 centimeter and a height of 16 centimeter. What is its curved surface area? 2000 centimeter square, 2002 centimeter square, 2010 centimeter square, 2112 centimeter square, 2112 centimeter square. Which two players were selected as the best footballer by the All Indian Football Federation for the year 2020? A. Indumati Kathir Resan and Sunil Chhatri. B. Dalia Chibar and Igor Stimac. C. Gurpreet Singh Sandhu and Sanju Devi. D. Bala Devi and Anirudh Thappa. C. Gurpreet Singh Sandhu and Sanju Devi. Marek Lake Lucas Regenwald, who won the International Book Prize for 2020, belongs to which country? Netherlands, Britain, France, Ireland. Netherlands. Which union territory state announced the establishment of India's first plasma bank? A. Haryana, Uttar Pradesh, C. Bihar, D. Delhi. Which among the following was awarded the Nobel Prize for Peace to 2020? Greta Thunberg, Donald Trump, World Food Program, Amnesty International. फूड प्रोग्राम निम्नलिखित युगों में से कौन सा सही सुमेलित नहीं है? हारमोनियम वादक श्री राम श्रीवास्तव, ब्रजराज नाइत्र, मिर्जापुर बिरहा, गायकी मुबारक अली खान। ये हारमोनियम वादक श्री राम श्रीवास्तव। अर्जुन बाद नहर से उत्तर प्रदेश का लाभावी जिला है? ए एटा, बी इटावा, सी गोरखपुर, डी हमीरपुर। यदि जंगल में घूमते हुए कोई वनस्पति कोई ऐसा पौधा या पा जाए जो पहले कभी नहीं देखा हो तो उसे क्या कह सकते हैं? आविष्कार, सृजन, नूतन, फोर्थ खोज। ए खोज। एक श्रेणी निम्नवत है 5, 7, 9, 11, 13 उपयुक्त दी गई श्रेणी का समापद होगा 203, 201, 197, 195, 203। एक व्यक्ति नीचे के चित्र को देखते हुए संजय ने कहा, इसकी माँ मेरे पिता के पुत्र की पत्नी है, मेरा कोई भाई तथा बहन नहीं है। संजय किसके चित्र को दिखा रहा था? अपने पुत्र का, अपने भतीजे का, अपने चचेरे भाई का, अपने पुत्र का। वैश्विक रिश्वत जोखिम सूचकांक 2020 में भारत को कौन सा स्थान प्राप्त है? 70वां, 75वां, 77वां, 80, 77वां, 15वां। G20 शिखर सम्मेलन 2020 किस देश की अध्यक्षता में संपन्न हुए? भारत, ब्राजील, इटली, सऊदी अरब। डेमोक्रेटिक पार्टी के उम्मीदवार जोसेफ रोबिन बाइडेन जूनियर अमेरिका के किस क्रम के राष्ट्रपति? 45वां, 46वां, 47वां, 48वां, 46वां। Chemistry side. Which of the following carbons is more stable? CH2, Rn, double bond C, CCl2, CF2, CF2. Match list following first and select the correct answer from the quotes below the electrophilic substitution. Compound A chlorination followed by treatment of aqueous alcoholic KOH gives a protein. Compound B, which upon oxidation gives C. The compound C upon further oxidation followed by treatment with soda lime gives methane. The compound A is ethane, propane, propylene, acetylene, ethane. The pH of 0.1 m aqueous NH4Cl solution will be a 2.50, 5.00, 7.50, 10.0, 5.0. Conjugate acid of water is OH minus H3O plus H plus H3O plus H3O plus. An aqueous solution of FeCl3 will be acidic, neutral, basic, amphoteric, acidic. Which one of the following is correctly matched? Eutectic point, transport number, gold number, Sigmondi, before solution, phase rule, heater apparatus, Henderson, gold number, Sigmondi. pH diagram is Pauerback's diagram, not pH diagram, important region diagram, D all of the Pauerback's diagram. The number of milligrams of KOH required to neutralize the acids resulting from the complete hydrolysis of 1 gram of oil or fat is known. acid value, saponification value, iodine value, Richard Messel value, saponification value. Which one of the following will undergo only even reaction with KOH, CH3, CH2, CH2, CH2Br, CH3 का whole twice, CH2, CH2Br, CH3 का whole thrice, CH2Br, CH3, CH2, CH2Br, CH3, CH3 का whole twice B. Consider the reaction R3C CH2X plus KOH R3C CH2OH plus KX. उपयुक्त क्रिया की क्रियाविधि निम्न में से कौन सी है? SN1 SN2 SC1 S2 SN2. An alkyl or allyl yield two molecules of propane diol. It is benzene. B. The reaction of CH2 double bond CH COOH HBr in the product is example of nucleophilic addition, electrophilic addition, concerted addition, electrophilic substitution. Nucleophilic addition. Isoquinone or reduction with Na liquid NH3 gives a 1,2-di hydroisoquinoline 1,2,3,4 tetrahydroquinoline decahydroisoquinoline 1,4-dihydroisoquinoline 1,2-dihydroisoquinoline. Which is used in scrap synthesis? FeSO4 Fe2SO4 called thrice C6H5NO C5H5NO4 A FeSO4. An organic compound is oxidized by HiO4 to give only RCHO plus HCOOH. Its likely structure is A B C D C. Filling solution is reduced by sodium acetate, sodium permanganate, sodium benzoate, potassium succinate, sodium permanganate. Which of the following substance does not give haloform reaction? CH3, CHO, CCl3, CHO, C2H5, OH. All of these. Bromine water oxidizes glucose into fructose. Both fructose, C glucose, D none of the above, glucose only. Which of the following is largest in size? Na plus F minus O2 minus Al3 plus O2 minus. Alkali metal resembles first group. In which of the following respects plus one valency? Sulfates are water soluble. Oxides are strong base. Oxides are strong base. B. 1 plus 1 valency. A. Select the correct order in energy. Beryllium, strontium, calcium, magnesium, calcium, beryllium, strontium, radium, lithium, beryllium, boron, carbon, carbon, boron, beryllium, lithium. B. Which set shows inert pair effect? A. Iron, copper, nickel, boron, aluminum, gallium, germanium, SnPb, HENe, Ar. C. Which are the following is pseudo halogen? ICl, Ki3, Cn का whole twice, I2, Cn का whole twice. Which are the following is Lewis acid? S2 minus C2H5OH, Cl, Ag plus. Ag plus. The mathematical expression for divide Huckel limiting lie log V plus minus 0.05 and Z plus Z minus I power 1 by 2. sp and sp2 hybrid present in acetylene, vinyl acetylene, methyl acetylene, dimethyl acetylene, vinyl acetylene. Which is the correct structure formula of Cairo acid among the following? A B C D A. More theory explains what in the bonding in an unusual molecule. What will be the bond order of NO and NO plus? CO and NO plus. A 2 and 1, B 1 and 2, 3 and 3 and 3, D 0 and 3, 3 and 3. Match the list following. B. Which are the following cyano complexes would exhibit the lower value paramagnetic behavior? ACr Cn का whole 3 Mn Cn का whole 3 minus FaCn का whole 3 minus COCn का whole 3 minus COCn का whole 3 minus. Which one of the following is not a double salt? ACOCl3 dot 6NH3 KCl dot MgCl2 plus 6H2 FeSO4 NH4 का whole twice SO4 dot 6H2 K2SO4 Al2SO4 का whole right 24H2A. The year in which Warner proposed his coordination theory? A 1890, B 1891, C 1892, D 1893, D 1893. Which among the following is soil base? NH3 R NH2 H2O CN NH3. Hemoglobin is a vitamin, a enzyme, and an enzyme, a globular protein, a carbohydrate, a globular protein. Which are the following elements does not form oxyacid? Chlorine, nitrogen, sulfur, fluorine, fluorine. The correct order of acidity is A. How many moles of Fe2 are oxidized by 1 mole of MnO4 minus ion in acidic medium? 1, 2, 6, 5, 5. In electrochemical, the half cell reactions with the respective oxidation potential are: A. The EMF of the cell is 59 millimeter volts. Which type of the charge does the anode of dinyl cell have? Negative, positive, no charge, sometimes positive, sometimes negative charge. Portland cement is manufactured by the following: limestone, clay, and gypsum. Limestone, clay, and sand, gypsum, limestone, and alumina, limestone, gypsum, and sand, limestone, clay, and gypsum. The decay of ozone layer in the Atmosphere is due to excessive use of any one of the following: NH3, Cl2, CF4, CH4, Cl2. Uranium 2292 to radial loss have one alpha particle and the one beta particle in successively. The product is A, B, C, D, B. The reaction involved in hydrogen bomb can be executed. C. Pressure cooker reduce cooking time due to preparation in freezing point, elevation in boiling point, lowering of vapor pressure of water, large flame used. C. B. Elevation involved. Which are the following statement about liquid is incorrect? Drops of liquid are spherical. Viscosity of liquid decreases with decrease in temperature. Addition of chemical reduces the surface tension of liquid. Intramolecular force in ether and water are in the order of viscosity of decreasing. Mixing of two gas gives two solution: suspension colloidal solution, stable Hamilton colloidal solution. Which one of the following is more effective for the coagulation of FeOH coal try? Sol NaCl MgS4 Mg3 PO4 coal twice Al3 MgPO3 coal. At a certain temperature, the following data were given as first and second data. For a certain first order reaction of it takes 10 minutes for the concentrator of 0.4 mole liter inverse to become 0.1 mole later inverse. What is the rate constant of the reaction? 0.040, 0.069, 0.138, 0.276, 0.138. Hydrolysis of starch involves the use of enzyme maltose gymase inverted diastase galactose converted into glucose in mouth, stomach, liver, intestine. Liver. Human body is an example of open system, closed system, isolated, sometimes closed and sometimes open system, sometimes closed system. The correct condition for the feasibility of thermodynamic process is negative delta H and positive delta H, negative positive delta H, positive delta S and positive S, positive delta and negative delta H, positive negative delta H minus negative delta S, T delta S A. Joule Thandra coefficient for an ideal gas is 0, infinite, positive, negative, 0. Helium atom is too heavy than a hydrogen atom at 298 Kelvin. The average quantity of helium is 2 times that of the hydrogen molecule, same as that of the hydrogen molecule. C 4 times that of hydrogen molecule. C half that of hydrogen molecule. B same as that and that of hydrogen molecule. Thomson coefficient for hydrogen gas at two temperature is positive 0, sometimes positive and sometimes 0, negative negative. Which are the following process will complete by decrease of entropy water ice A. The equilibrium constant for the reaction A2 with the equilibrium constant for AB half AB A2 will be given by 1 by root K. For NH4 HS NH4 plus H2 if Kb बराबर 64 atm equilibrium pressure of mixture 8 atm 16 atm 64 atm 4 atm 16 atm. Which are the consider the following about any catalyst first and third. Which one of the following has the highest triple bond? C. Which one is the strongest weight among the following two portions? Trinitrile and 2,4,6 trinitro and dimethylylene and dimethylylene. In a chemical species, the electron density is affected by Joule-Thomson density of chemical species, obligative inductive effect, inductive effect. Resonance arises by delocalization of pi electron, delocalization of sigma electron, rearrangement of patterns, sp3 hybridization, delocalization of pi electron. Pure aniline is brown color, colorless solid, colorless liquid, brown color solid. C. Colorless solid. The Hensberg region used for distinction between primary, secondary, and tertiary amine is alcoholic KOH, benzene sulfonic in aqueous KOH, NaCl2 in concentrated HCl, benzoyl acid on benzene B. Which are the following molecules is both nucleophile and electrophile? CH4, H2O, CH3O, CH3CN. CH3CN in dimer temperature, the intermediate is carbocation, carbon and dichlorocarbon, dichlorocarbon. The mechanism of oxygen formation is based on Beckmann region, Fry region, Amadori region, Curtis region, Amadori region. On heating with concentrated HNO3 protein give a local this test is called Milan test, Xanthos protein test, and hydrogen protein test, Hopkins Cole test, and hydrogen test. Inorganic rubber is polyphosphonitrile acid, silicon liquid, silicon grease, silicon resin, polyphosphonitrile chloride. Which statement of the following is not correct about Teflon? Teflon is highly reactive. Maximum number of isomers of C4H8 are 2, 3, 4, 6, 4. The above configuration have plane mass symmetry, axis of symmetry, center of symmetry, not any type of plane of symmetry. Tetramethyl is used for making silicon for cutting glass in the manufacturing, paint manufacturing in the form of standard in nuclear material D. The phenomena in which the electrons of higher energy level return with 10 power minus 8 seconds to lower energy level by radioactive decay is called fluorescence, photosensitization, light scattering, efflorescence. Quantum number 5, 12 electron in aluminum are n equal to 3, L equal to 0, M equal to 0, S equal to minus. The relation delta X into delta pH upon H upon 4 pi represent हाइजेनबर्ग अनसर्टेनिटी। धन्यवाद दोस्तों, चैनल को लाइक सब्सक्राइब शेयर करना मत भूलिए दोस्तों, धन्यवाद।